Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting verification now. Sign into YouTube Studio with the account tied to your channel and open Settings Channel Feature Eligibility. Once done, choose Verify and enter the phone number you control. This confirms ownership and unlocks features. Make sure your account details match your recovery info. This speeds trouble resolution. If YouTube asks for ID later, you'll need a clear photo. Keep it handy so you don't pause the process and can finish in one session. Now you'll complete the mid-stage. Choose SMS or voice call, then type the 6-digit code delivered to your phone. Move quickly because codes can expire. If it times out, request a new one. Once verified, head to Channel Feature Eligibility to request additional verifications like longer uploads or custom thumbnails. Also enable two-step verification in your Google account. This prevents unauthorized changes and keeps verification. Finish by uploading any requested documents and submitting your verification request. You'll get an email and a studio notification when it's complete. Once submitted, allow processing time. Some checks are manual. If approval is delayed, check spam folders and ensure the uploaded ID is legible and matches your account name. If things go wrong, retry the verification from a different device or network and contact support with screenshots. This often resolves flagging or geolocation blocks that prevent completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.